Good morning friends, myself Dr. Prathmesh Jain. Many patients have asked us about the types of the screws that we use for ACL reconstruction surgery. Now I will be enumerating all the types of screws which are available in the surgery. So first type is a stainless steel screws. This is called as a SS screws. These screws were the oldest screws and were traditionally used for ACL reconstruction surgery. These screws provide a very good fixation, but the problem with these screws is that they are not MRI compatible, and if we are doing an MRI after using these stainless steel screws, then there is a lot of artifact and you will not be able to make the diagnosis. So normally these days we are avoiding the use of a stainless steel or SS screws. The advantages of this screw is they are very economical and can be used if you have a cost constraint. The second screw that we use are titanium screws. These are very good screws. They have very good modulus of elasticity. They provide a very good fixation and they are MRI compatible also. So these screws, titanium screws, are good and they can be used in selected cases for ACL reconstruction surgery. The shortcomings of these screws are not much, but occasionally you may need removal of these screws because they can cause a problem or prominence or pain sometimes. So very occasionally you might need a second surgery to remove these screws, and occasionally they may cause a void when you remove them. So when you remove them, there will be a void at the place where the screws were inserted. The other thing is they will be visible in the X-rays. The third type of screws which are available are called as a PLLA screws, or they are also called as a bioabsorbable screws. Now this material, poly-L-lactic acid, is a bioabsorber material and it absorbs over the period of time. So the good part about this screw is they will absorb over the period of time, so there will be no need of removal of these screws. These screws are MRI compatible, MRI can be performed, but there is a shortcoming that very occasionally these screws may cause a sterile reaction when they absorb and when they dissolve, and occasionally we may have to remove and scoop out that area. This is not a very common occurrence, but occasionally this may occur. So we have now a relatively advanced screw as compared to a bioabsorbable screw, which is called as a biocomposite screws. So these screws are predominantly made up of PLL along with either hydroxyapatite or beta tricalcium phosphate, and these screws are biocomposite because they will incorporate with the bone over the period of time. So they not only dissolve, not only they get absorbed, but they will incorporate with the bone as the time goes. So they will integrate with the bone over a period of time, and these are considered to be good screws, and these are the screws which we are using most commonly these days. There are other screws also which have come up these days, which is called as a PEEK screw. This is a polyethyl ketone screws, and these screws are inert screws. So they are not absorbable, but they are inert, they are transparent, they are MRI compatible, but they do not absorb over a period of time. They provide a very good fixation, and these screws are also used nowadays for fixation. The negatives of this screw is that it will not be absorbed and you may need removal of these screws later on, and these will not be visible in the X-ray in a routine patient. So friends, I hope that I have cleared your doubts regarding the different types of screws of ACL which are available. If you have any queries or any doubt, you can test us on the comment box. Here I would like to make a comment that there are different companies and different manufacturers which make these screws, and most of them are good companies and good manufacturers, and we don't recommend a particular type or a particular brand of screw as such. Thank you.